Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, July the 2nd, 2019. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the AUDJPY. This is a 45-minute chart here. We can see right here that since we bottom and at 73.9 on June 18, the pair has started to rally, and then the rally here, as we can see, is currently in the form of an impulse 5 waves structure. Right, so from here we got this wave 1, and then this wave 2 here is in the form of a running flat A, B, C, ended wave 2, and then this wave 3 is 5 waves subdivision as expected. We got a wave 4 and then a wave 5 ended with A from here. So in other words, the rally currently is proposed to be doing a zigzag in which we ended with A as a 5 waves, and then we will be looking to do the wave B pullback now. Currently proposed to be a double zigzag, so we got the first zigzag already in place. We still can see another zigzag on the downside to finish this B before possibility of another leg to the upside. Now the idea though is, because we see what looks like a 5 ways up from here, so eventually what we like to see is another leg higher in the C leg, right? So another 5 ways leg higher in the C leg. So now the question is how far the dip in the B is going to take place. That will be the question, right? So the overall idea is, as far as the dips stay above the 73.9, which is the beginning of the 5 waves, we should see another 5 ways up in the wave C. Alright, now a couple of different alternates here is the idea that since we already did a 3 ways pullback here, now instead of doing a double zigzag, we might have already ended your correction, the B. So the B could be completed already as a zigzag here in the 3 waves, and so if that's the case, then we can start the wave C already in a 5 waves. So we will know that when we break above the A, then we will know that the next leg higher has already started. So that's another possibility, another alternate. Alright, the primary view is calling for a double zigzag. The alternate is we could have ended the correction and then start to go in the C leg already going higher as a 5 waves. And then another alternate still is the idea that we can be still within the wave 5. So in order to do that, we can adjust the count a little bit. Let's say we can count this as, instead of a running flat here, so we can count this as a wave 2, and then we can call this as some sort of a diagonal here, right? We can have a diagonal here. So we can have a diagonal, and this could be your wave 1, right? So this could be your wave 1, this could be your wave 2, alright, and then this could be your wave 3, and you can just move around the count a bit like this, right? 3, and then this is your 4, and this is your 5, and that will only end with 3 in this scenario, right? So we got this 1, 2, 3, and then this could be a wave 4 after 3 is pullback. So in this scenario here, right, we're gonna go to a new high, but it's not yet the C leg. It's only after the new high. We are only still ending with 5 of A, and then we will get a pullback first, which is a bigger pullback that potentially can even break below here again, because the B pullback is supposedly correcting this entire cycle, right? So it doesn't have to stay above the previous low, for example. So we can have a bigger 3-ish pullback again before the rally really resumes. So we got two sort of possibilities there, but I think in all those 3 possibilities we are looking for the upside as far as the dips stay above this previous low right here, 73.9. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can always like and subscribe our channel for more updates, and if you want to see regular updates, Elliott Wave chart for Forex pairs as well as stock market and also commodities. Feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. Okay, so see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.